Back on market at no fault of seller. Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Puller. This impeccably updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence offers a perfect blend of modern comfort and convenience. As you step inside, you will be greeted by a spacious and inviting open floor plan. The heart of the home is undoubtedly the large kitchen, featuring an extended island that beckons gatherings and culinary adventures. Equipped with sleek stainless steel appliances and soft close cabinets, this kitchen is a chef's delight, promising both style and functionality. The master ensuite boasts double vanities and an upgraded tile shower. Secondary rooms are generous in size. The thoughtful design extends to the spacious laundry room, complete with a convenient folding station and wash station. The home is situated on a large corner lot with a